Open your internet browser and visit adorwelding.com. Click on the menu icon. Select Technical Literature. From the drop-down, select Certificate and Credentials. On the left menu bar, click on the Product Certificate Matrix. Click on this link, which will redirect you to the Product Certificate Matrix webpage. Click the arrow to enter the Product Certificate Matrix platform. Once you click, it will take you to the product search page. Click on the drop-down of products and select any product. After you select, click on the search button. The list of products will be displayed. Click the Download tab on the right side of the screen to download the certificate. The certificate will be downloaded to your local folder in your system. You can click and open the certificate. Now click on the drop-down to select the type of certificate. After selecting, click on the Search button. Now click the Preview button. The list of products with the respective certification will be displayed. Similarly, we can view the products or certificates for equipment and SGP.